Welcome back to Bamaland 300 acres and all that comes with it. This beautiful 300 acres of planted pine and colorful hardwoods on steep slopes leading to a winding creek that runs the length of the property is the star of this channel. The all that comes with it tagline and the content is the supporting cast and production crew. And that's where today's video falls. I bought this Bobcat 773 a year ago and it wasn't running. Really did want a track loader, not a wheeled machine. But it was a really good deal and came with a nice trailer and a bunch of attachments including a grapple and a backhoe. I know that a larger track loader is in my future. It'll be capable of running a high hydraulic flow forestry mulcher. We had tons of work clearing the forest floor for miles of trails and recreational areas on the property. My buddy Austin Fortner is a real nice, hardworking young man with his beautiful wife Brooke and a new baby boy Charlie. Charlie Cheeks, I call him. Perpetual smile and big rosy cheeks just like his dad.
What do you think, Austin?
Oh, it's going pretty good.
All right, come here, man. Everybody's my buddy, Austin Fortner. When I'm not in town, Austin helps me out with all this stuff. He's been a real good friend.
Oh yeah.
I'm out of breath. All right, we're gonna commence to getting these McLaren tracks bolted up. I'll put you back on the stand here. All right, guys. And this is Mr. Lee James.
The folks here in Northwest Alabama are very neighborly, as you would expect. Austin knows his way around a toolbox, and having grown up here has a ton of contacts for just about everything you would need. The south part of the 300 acres is swampy and underwater during the rainy season. My neighbors tell me it's a prime duck hunting spot. It also has a nice stand of mature topolo trees. People who carve little figurines, like toy soldiers and birds, use tupelo as their second favorite to basswood. Felling those trees and getting them up to my mill for processing is not something my tractor is completely capable of. And who knows, maybe I'll start an Etsy store selling carving blanks. A track machine like my Bobcat is much better at not getting stuck in the mud. I have a really nice set of new balloon tires that work really well around the homestead for the Bobcat. They provide a real comfortable ride and are easier on the lawn turf. But these tracks will perform much better when the Bobcat needs to dig hard, like out at the gravel pit or down in the muddy areas of the property. I'm real excited about putting my flip screen to work on the Bobcat. It will be great at the gravel pit, plus around the homestead, sifting out topsoil. There are several spots around my son's property that needs a little attention. There are spots where they buried the septic tank and built the drain field and didn't scrape the topsoil off before digging. That leaves the backfill mostly clay at the surface, and grass doesn't like to grow very well on clay. Plus a 250-foot long trench they dug from the septic tank to the drain field has compacted, and you can see it running all the way through the yard. The topsoil will fix all that. Well, my friends, this is when I get to say the obligatory YouTube closing. If you like this content, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
You know, I used to remove floors and people would use the broken up tile as a base.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I've seen people use bricks and stuff, old bricks. But...
Yep. All right, let's get all of our toys put away. I think we can call that a wrap